Hi, I'm Courtney Fairchild, President and CEO of Global Services. The federal government can be a lucrative source of contracts for businesses seeking to sell to the largest buyer of goods and services in the world. However, the process of becoming a vendor, writing proposals, and managing successful contracts can be a difficult one to manage. It's easy to get lost in the process of doing work with the federal government, but you don't have to do it alone. Let Global Services be your guide, and we'll make the federal contracting journey together. I believe what has made Global Services the company that it is today is our commitment to our clients' success and our belief that our work should be transparent and approachable to our clients. For more than 20 years, we've helped over 2,500 businesses earn over $20 billion in government contracts. That's right, billion with a B. I'm Courtney Fairchild, founder, president, and CEO of Global Services. And my team and I are excited to hear from you. So call us or email us today and let's start your federal contracting journey together.